Good morning, class. Today, in this very session, we'll be starting up with the revision of chapter 1, 2, and 3. That is, we'll be quickly revising the questions or the part that we have studied till now before proceeding on to the next chapter. I have given few questions for you that you have studied in all the three chapters. Starting with the first question. Here you have to write the number names of the given numbers or given digits. Fine, so let's quickly count on the first digits. That is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. That means the number that is given for you is up to 1000 places. So at the 1000 place it is 9. So it will be 9000. The next place value is hundreds. Again the number is 9. So it will be 9900. There is no number given or 0 is given at the tens place. So we need not to mention that digit. Then the last one is at ones place. And at ones place the digit that is given for you is 8. So the number name for 9908 is 9908. Similarly, you will be solving the next question, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Again the numbers that are given up to 1000 place. At the 1000 place, that is there is 3. The digit is 3. So we will be writing 3000. Then there is no number or 0 is given at the hundreds place. So you need not to mention that. Again at the tens place there is 8. So it will be 89. Fine. So the number name for 3089 is 3089. The next question is write the expanded form of, let's count the digits, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. It will be 9270. You need to write the expanded form of the given number. It will be 9000. There is 9 given at the place value of 1000. Okay? So 1000 की place पे 9 दिया हुआ है. You will be writing 9000 plus hundreds. At the hundreds place it is 2. So it will be 200 plus at the tens place the number is 7. So it will be 70. There is no number or 0 at the ones place. So you need not to write or mention that number. Moving on to the next question. It is 6003. So at the thousands place the number is 6. So you'll be writing 6000 plus here no digits are given for hundreds and tens place. So you'll be leaving that, or you are not going to write that 0. At the ones place the number is 3. So the expanded form would be 6000 plus 3. The next question for you is question number 3. Which says write the place value of 8 in 9081. Okay? You need to find the place value of 8 in the given number. So let's count. This is ones, this is tens. So the number 8 is at tens places. This number is at the tens places and the place value of the number is 80. Okay? So you will be writing the place value of 8 in 9081 would be 80. Next question, counting by fives, write numbers starting from, you have to do the skip counting here with the number 5 at every different phase. So the number which is given for you is 7913. So to do skip counting by 5, you have to add 5 onto the last digit, that is at the ones place. If you'll be adding 3 plus 5 over here, you'll be getting the next digit, that is 7918. Again, to find the next number, you have to add 5 onto the last digit, that is 8. 8 plus 5 gives you what? 3, and 1 is being carried over here. That will give you the next number, that is 7923. Then to find the next number, again you will have to add 5 to the last digit, which will give you 7928. Okay, understood, children? Okay, the next question is write in ascending order. Children, you might be knowing or you must be knowing that to write any series in ascending order, we need to write the smallest number at the first, then we'll proceed to the biggest number gradually. So first the numbers for you are 9856, 9800, 8637. The next number is 9009 and the last number is 9999. So the first thing you will be doing is counting the number of digits in each number. Fine. So starting with the last one, 1 2 3 4, there are 4 digits. 1 2 3 4, there are also 4 digits. 1 2 3 4, 4 digits. 1 2 3 4, 4 digits. 1 2 3 4, 4 digits. So each of the given number has 4 digits. So what you will have to do is, let's check on the digits, that is on the फर्स्ट प्लेस. आप फर्स्ट प्लेस के डिजिट को चेक करोगे कि इनमें से कौन सा नंबर बिगर है. फाइन. सो आई गेस 1 2 3 4 5, 4 out of 5 numbers has 9 at its first place and one digit has 8. So naturally it will be the smallest number. ठीक है. अब you have to compare the rest of the 4 numbers. So what you'll do next, what you'll do is you have to compare the next number, next digit, that is here, the digit at the second place, starting from the left side. After seeing that the two numbers have 8 at its second place and the two numbers, one number has 0 at its second place and one number has 9 at its second place. So which digit is greater between 9, greatest between 9, 0, 8 and 8? Naturally it is 9. So this 9999 would be at the first place. Fine. Now we have two numbers which has 8 at the second place. So we need to compare these numbers. अब इसे compare करने के लिए हम third digit पे जाएंगे. That is here. Fine. So one digit has 5 at its third place and second digit has 0. So naturally you know 5 is greater than 0. So the next number would be 9856. Naturally we'll have to compare the next numbers left. That is 9800 and 9009. So between 9800 and 9009, the number 9000 is greater. Fine. So we'll be writing 9800 at the third place. Again, we have already discussed that 8637 is the smallest number. So naturally it will come at last place. Then the second last would be 9009. Okay, children. In the sixth question, you have to form the smallest 4-digit number by using the digits 1, 4, 9 and 2. So by using these 4 digits, you have to form a smallest 4-digit number. Children, I have already explained to you, if you remember, that we cannot write 0 at the beginning. We could not form a number by using 0 at the starting. हम कोई भी नंबर 0 से स्टार्ट करके फॉर्म नहीं करते हैं. एंड यू हैव टू अरेंज द नंबर्स, द सेकेंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस आफ्टर 0. सो हियर द सेकेंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, 0 के बाद सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 1. ठीक है. सो हम विल बी राइटिंग 1 एट द स्टार्टिंग. Then we'll be writing 0 and writing the next numbers in ascending, rest of the numbers in ascending order. So the number would be 1029. Okay. Children, in the next question, you have to add 6955 to 2105. This is very simple addition. So let's add the digits. 5. We'll be writing ones. Digits at ones places, tens at tens, hundreds at hundreds and thousands at thousand place. So 5 plus 5 gives you 10. So we'll be writing 0 over here and 1 would be carried off. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. 9 plus 1 gives you 10. We'll be writing 0 and 1 is carried. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 gives you 9. So then after adding 6,955 and 2,105, we'll be getting 9,060. Okay. The next question is for you is a word problem which says there are 3,597 cows, 4,231 buffaloes and 489 camels in a village. How many total animals are there? So we'll have to solve the questions by writing the statements. The first statement would be number of cows, that is 3,597. Then the number of buffaloes, that is 4,231. Proceeding on to the number of camels, that is 489. We have to, if we have to find the total animals, we have to add all the 3 animals given. So by adding on the 3 animals together, we'll be getting 8,317. Fine. So we'll be completing the question by writing the answer, that is there are 8,317 animals in the village. The next question is for you is round off to nearest hundreds. You have to round off the given numbers to nearest hundreds in order to find the answer. The first question is 5,491. The number that is given for you is up to 1,000 places. But in this question, you have to just concentrate what is mentioned or what you need to find out. You have to round up the number till hundreds. So you'll be leaving that 1,000 digit and concentrate on the numbers given up to 100 places. So the number is 491. In order to find out the number till 100 places, we have to check the digit at tens places. And if it is 5 or greater than 5, we'll have to add 1 to the hundredths number. So naturally 9 is greater than 5. So 1 will be added to 4, which will gives you 5. And we'll make the digits at ones place and tens place 0, and the digit at the 1,000 place will remain same. The next number, the next question for you is 197. So first check the digits, that is ones, tens, hundreds. The numbers are given up to hundreds place. So to find the numbers at round of the number till 100 place, you have to focus on the digit given at the tens place, which is again greater than 5. So if it is 5 or greater than 5, you will add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place, which will, by adding 1 plus 1, which give you 2, and the rest of the number will become what? 0. Okay. The next question is very simple for you. You just have to subtract 4,899 from 9,811. So children, just focus that whenever you are subtracting, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Fine. You can easily solve this question. Whenever we are subtracting 4,899 from 9,811, it will give you 5,012.